So we are on another PC. This is a new fresh install of Fusion 360. The same account, the same part, still stuck in this position. I don't know what to do with it. I go to design, make a sketch here. I'm down here. Oh, sorry, the sketch is here. And if I create a sketch, there is nothing. I don't know what it could be, but basically we changed first at all. We changed the video card in that PC. That was the original PC. We got a decent card in there, but we replaced that with an even better one. We got the same problem after we got the same good video card, better one in another PC, which is still quite good, and we have the same, exactly the same issue with that. If I'm gonna go down to this part, we still see these ghost things. No one knows where these things belong to, or it's here. But if I open, so back to here, sorry. So if I highlight them, then I can see it's Sketch 34. I open Sketch 34, but it's not there. There's nothing there. And the Sketch 34, actually, after it's already been deleted. So basically, let's activate this Sketch 34. And if I activate this, the Sketch 34 not even on what's that? On the same plan. You see? So I'll finish this sketch. This was just a. If I delete that, the thing's still there, and it's gonna be Sketch 32 now. Let's open the Sketch 32. Sketch 32. Sketch number 32. I'm sorry, and there is nothing at all. I could highlight. Right, now I close the sketch and it's there. So these ghost things, let's say, you see it's Sketch 32. So right click, there's nothing there. I can, so let's go back here. I go back from this component to the main component. Again, I'm gonna select this face, create a sketch there, and nothing. This is the second machine PC, I mean the second PC and the second video card, and it doesn't do the job with that one either. Right, I go down to this component and I create a new sketch on this surface again. Then I believe so it will work. Yeah, it does work with this component, but not with the other one. So let's see sketches. In this component, I delete this, which is fine. Then these things can be highlighted from this component, but these are not actually under this under the sketches of this component. So none of them are that. I might have to share with share a link to this project, because it's just weird. It does things what it doesn't do does things on the main component, but doesn't do the same on the sub component. It's just strange.